लवेंडर की कामयाबी की दास्तान भद्रवाह से निकलकर केरला तक पहुंच गई है। हमारे साथ केरला से आए हुए कुछ विजिटर्स हैं जो स्पेशली जो न्योटा करिया पंचायत के टिपरी गांव में इन लवेंडर फील्ड्स को विजिट किया है। उनसे हम जानते हैं कि उनकी क्या फीलिंग है, उन किस चीज़ ने उनको प्रॉम्प्ट किया यहाँ पे आने के, और जो एक्सपेक्ट किया था उन्होंने, जो पढ़ा था कि भद्रवाह लवेंडर की राजधानी है, क्या सच में उन्होंने यहाँ को उसी टाइप का पाया जो कि उन्होंने किताबों में पढ़ा था, फोटोग्राफ्स में देखा था, वीडियो देखे थे। सर, प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ एंड व्हाट prompted you to come to this place in far off area, and how do you feel after coming there and seeing these purple flowers all around you?
Yeah, myself Anirudh V. We both are from Kerala. We are coming so far just to visit. Came here just to visit and see the scenic beauty of Bhadarwa. Yeah, it's all the hard work of Tawkir Bhai, his family, and the local people here. It's really made us come here and explore the scenic beauty of this place. We feel so inspired that they had did big work here, which not only sustain their livelihood but also for the whole country. And I feel so great. I feel like I'm standing in Europe right now. Like it's a very beautiful field with a very big. I didn't expect this much big fields here of lavender, but I feel so great and so blissful in my heart to see this fragrant blossoms of lavender. Yeah, yeah, that's it. It's so great to be here.
As we have been hearing this thing, the government has formulated a narrative that income of farmers should be increased 2 times. And by seeing this, do you think this is an inspiring story for all the farmers of India, that despite living in far off area, tough terrain, they have done such a good work, and they are claiming that not only they have increased their income 2 folds but 10 folds as well.
Yeah, it's quite very inspiring as these flowers are like not destroyed by monkeys and other animals. It's a very good flower which can be adaptive to the climate here, and for the other farmers they can plant it and they can earn good amount of money for the economic upliftment and for the whole community. It's a sustainable money without being looted from the forest. It's a very good money which they are making from the barren landscapes. It's so great that great and inspiring to see this fragrant blossoms, and they are earning good amount of money than before.
You seem to be a flower lover. Do you want to give any suggestion to increase their income further, so that, because we have seen that a lot of honeybees are here, they are enjoying these flowers, and we have heard that lavender honey is one of the costliest honey in the world. Do you think these kind of things should be done to add value addition of this lavender?
Yeah, I think they should also start value addition, like making some other products out of it, like maybe incense sticks and soaps from here itself, from the village itself, so that we can get the pure essence of these flowers to other countries too, so that the foreign people could also really enjoy this Indian lavender variety. Yeah, they can also start to implement honey and like lavender honey. It can also be of high medicinal value. Yeah.
Earlier you said that these fields give you the feel of Europe. Do you think this can be explored as a tourism destination as well? Tourists should come and enjoy this lavender fields.
Yeah, for sure. Tourists should come here and really see the hard work of farmers and the people who have been doing this. The collective effort of the whole people is quite very inspiring, and everybody should come and see this beauty of this place. It's like the white valleys are quite very beautiful. Yeah, it feels so great to be here.
Hard work is there, but what about the color of these lavender flowers?
It's quite very very fragrant, and it feels so calming to be in this with the scents of these flowers here. Yeah, it feels so great. What more to say? I feel so happy from my heart. That's it.
And finally, you have also sipped a cup of this lavender tea, and it is being said that it is the calming tea, sleep tea. Do you have any kind of that feeling after aromatherapy is also very popular? You have been in this field since last 2 hours. Do you think there is really something that you are feeling relaxed or something like that?
Yeah, for sure. The scenic beauty and the fragrant blossoms, I feel so calm here. Like I feel like I should put a home here and stay here forever. It feels so great to be in this place. Yeah, that's it. It's like I'm in a spa right now, nature spa. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Thank you. उन्होंने कहा कि मुझे ऐसा महसूस होता है कि मैं एक नेचर स्पा में हूँ। हम यही बात कहते आ रहे हैं कि यहाँ की टूरिज्म डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी जो है, बीडीए है, टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को इस तरफ फोकस करना चाहिए। ये एक तरह से लाइव एग्जांपल है कि केरला से आके वो इन लेवेंडर फील्ड्स को कितना एंजॉय कर रहे हैं और उनका ये कहना है कि ये यूरोप से कम नहीं है। उनको ये फील आ रहा है इन लेवेंडर फील्ड्स में आके कि जैसे वो यूरोप के लेवेंडर फील्ड्स में जाके उनको एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। शुक्रिया।